Hello everyone. Today we will continue our lesson number 5, shapes and designs. First we will revise the last video, the content of last video. That is, last video I have explained you there are different shapes, but shapes is divided into two types. First is a plane shapes and second is solid shape. Plane shape means circle, square, rectangle, triangles. These are called plane shapes, and cube, cuboid, cylinder shape. These are called solid shapes. Okay. Now today we will solve some exercise. See, first is count the corners of each shape and circle the correct number. Means in this question we have to count the corners. Corner means you all are knowing now. What is a corner? Corner means where 2 or 3 lines met. That is called a corner. Okay. Now first is, which shape is this? Yes, this is a circle. See, now we will see the corners. Here is there any corner? No, that I have explained you. Okay, circle has no corner and no sides because it is a curved shape. Okay. Now second is which shape is this? Yes, this is a triangle shape. Now in this triangle we will mark the corners. Corners means vertex. Corners are also called vertex. See here, corner. Here 2 lines met here. So this is a corner. Here again 1 and 2 lines. 1 and 2 lines met. This is also corner. And this, yes, it is also a corner. Means in a triangle, how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Means triangle has a 3 corners. Means our answer is 2, no, 3. So here we have to put a circle. Means our correct answer is 3. Triangle has a 3 corners. Next, which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle shape. Now you all are knowing rectangle shape means in rectangle shapes there are 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. See here, these both lines are equal and these both lines are equal. These are the opposite sides of each other and they are same. Now we will find the corners. See here, 1 line, 2 line. So here it form a corner. Then next, here 1 line, 2 line. So here again it is a corner. Then here, yes, 1 line, 2 line means it is again a 1 corner. And any corner left? Yes, here also it form a corner because this 1 line, 2 line means it is also a 1 corner. Now we will count the number of corners in a rectangle shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Means rectangle has 4 corners. Means our answer, correct answer is 4. And here now next is, which shape is this? Yes, this is a square. And you all are knowing a square has all sides equal. All sides means how many sides it is having? 1, 2, 3 and 4 means all these 4 sides are equal. Now we will find the corners. See, first 1 line, 2 line means it is a corner. Then 1 line, 2 line means again it is a 1 corner. 1 line, 2 line means again it is a corner. Or you can say vertex. 1 line, 2 line. Again a corner means how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 means square has 4 corners. Means our correct answer is 2. No. 1. No. It is a 4. Now next, which shape is this? See, this is called a pentagon because it has a 5 sides. See, 5 sides means 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 sides. Now we will find out the corners. See here, 1 line, 2 line, these both lines are different. So it form a corner. So here 1 corner, then 1 line, 2 line means again it is a 1 more corner, 2 corners, then yes, here also 2 line means. So again it is a corner. 1, 2, 3 and again yes here. So here again we will here again it is a corner because here are 2 lines are there and here yes 1 more 1 and 2 lines. So here it is again a 1 corner. Means how many corners are there? See 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means in pentagons there are 5 corners. So put a circle on a 5. Now our next shape is, this is called a hexagon because it has a 6 sides. See 6 sides means 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 and 6 means hexagon has a 6 sides. Now we will find out the corners. See here it is a 1 line, 2 line means it form a corner. Again 1 line, 2 line means 1 more corner. Then 1, 2 means here again 1 corner. 1, 2, 2 lines means here again there is 1 corner. 1 line, 2 line means 1 more corner. And 1 line, 2 line means again there is 1 corner. Means how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. Again we will count. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means hexagon has 6 corners. So put a circle on a 6 number. Now our next exercise is fill in the blanks. 1 number, I have 3 sides and 3 corners. Now here you have to write the shape. See which shape has a 3 sides and 3 corners? See among these all 3 corners. Yes, triangle has a 3 corners and it has a 3 sides. We will find out. See 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. Yes, means triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So our answer is triangle. And I will do the drawing and I will draw the shape so that you come to know triangle. Now next, I have no sides and no corners. See here. Which shape has no sides and no corners? Yes, circle. Here circle. Circle has no corners and no sides. Any side is there? No. Only circle has no sides and no corners. So here our answer is circle. Now next, I have 4 equal sides. Equal. I have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Equal side. See 4 corners. Which shape has a 4 corners here? Yes. These both shapes has a 4 corners. But among these two shapes, here all sides are equal. No, but here all sides are equal. And now we will find out how many sides are there. See, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side. Means square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Means our answer is square. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And all sides are equal. Now next, I have 4 sides and 4 corners. My opposite sides are equal. Here, opposite sides are equal. See here. Now which shape? Rectangle, because here, see rectangle has a 4 corners and sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides, and here opposite sides are equal, that I have explained you. See, this for opposite side of this side is here. Means these both sides are equal and these both sides are equal. Means answer is rectangle. This is a rectangle shape. Now our next question is, draw the diagonals of the following shapes. Diagonals means a dotted line which joins the opposite corners. See here in the first picture. See opposite side, opposite corner. Now you all are knowing corner. Corner means where 2 lines met. Means here 1 corner, 1 and 2 lines, and it form a corner. 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. Now we will draw the diagonals, means opposite side. We have to draw a dotted line which join the opposite corners. Means for this corner, it is a opposite corner. Means dotted line we will draw. And one more, see, this for this corner, opposite side, opposite corner is this. So, or we can give them a name, means A, B, C, D. So, A, corner B, corner C, corner D. Means for corner D, opposite corner is corner D, and for corner A, opposite corner is corner C. Means AC and BC both are called diagonals of rectangle ABCD. Now next, first we will draw the corners. Here 2 lines met, means 1 corner, 2 lines means 2 corner, 3 corners, 1 and 2 lines means 4 corners. Now we will draw the dotted line to show the diagonals. Now here opposite side is, it is the opposite side. So draw the dotted line. And for this corner, start from this corner. This is called a diagonals. And we will give them a name, A, B, C, D. So A, C and B, D are a diagonals. Next, see, this is a square shape. So first here we will write the name 1, A, B, C and D. Now we will show the corners. 1 and 2 lines means it is 1 corner, 2 corner. Now we are knowing what is a corner. 3 corner and 4 corners. Now we will draw the dotted line to show the diagonals. Opposite corner. For B, opposite corner is D. Corner D. And for A corner, opposite corner is corner C. Means AC and BD are diagonals of square ABCD. Now next question is take the object which have only curved edges. Now you all are knowing what is edges. See, edges means first suppose this is which shape? Circle. For circle this is called a edge of this circle shape. And this is a rectangle shape. For rectangle shape, this is a edge of this rectangle shape. And edges are curved and straight. For rectangle, it is a straight edge. But if we will talk about this circle, circle has a curved edges. This is called an edge. So, circle has a curved edge. And this duster, this is a edge of this duster. So, this is a straight edge. And for this bangle, yes, it is a curved edge. Now in this question, we will tick the correct object which have a curved edges. See, for this envelope, it has a straight edge. Means we can't take this envelope because it has a straight edge. Now next is a circle. Means it has this is a curved edge. Means we will put a tick on this shape. Next is a button. For button, again it is a curved edge. See, it is a curved edge. So we will put a tick. Next is a stamp. You all are knowing when you went to the post office. In post office, you will get the stamps. For these stamps, it has also a straight edge. Means we can't tick because only you have to tick a curved edge and it has a straight edge. And next is a dish. A dish has which shape? This is a curved shape. So we will put a tick. Next, what is this? Yes, this is your maths textbook. For this textbook, it is a straight edge. See, this is a textbook. For this textbook, it has a straight edge. Means we will not put a right because it has a straight edge. Now our next topic is look at the figure of candle and fill in the blanks. Now here I have explained the 10 grams. 10 grams means it is a Chinese puzzle. And in 10 grams there are different pieces we are using. Means 5 pieces 10 gram, 7 pieces 10 gram. Here I have drawn one candle using the 10 gram pieces. First we will write the numbers. See which one number, how many pieces I have used? 1 number, 2 number piece, then 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number and a 7 number. Means it is a 7 pieces of set. Now we will write the answers. 1 number, there are dash pieces in this set of 10 gram. In this set means in this picture. How many pieces we have used? We have used 7 pieces. Means answer is 7. Next, there are dash triangular pieces in a 7 pieces 10 gram set. Triangular means triangle. How many triangle used? See here different shapes are used. This is triangle. No, this is triangle. No. This is triangle? Yes. Means one triangle, then this is triangle? Yes. This is also triangle. It is also triangle, and this is also a triangle. Means how many triangle used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means in this picture, 5 triangles are used. So our answer is 5 triangles. Next, there are only one dash in a 10-gram set. So only one piece is a square. This is a square shape. Means square shape used only one time in this picture. Means our answer is square. Next, there are two pairs of identical dash in a 7 pieces of 10 grams. Means which two shapes are identical means same. See here, this triangle is big. This triangle is also, the size of this triangle is different. But here, different shape, different triangles means it is a big one. But here see two triangles are there. One triangle and two triangles. These both triangles are identical means same in a size as compared to other triangles. These both triangles are a same means our answer is number 5 and number 6. These two triangle pieces are identical. Now our next topic is tessellation. Now you all are knowing what is tessellation. Tessellation is a pattern which is connected with each other without gap and without overlapping. See here I have drawn 4 pictures and here we have to cross out. Cross out means we will put a cross. Those which are not tessellation means which have not gap. Okay. See first is a which shape used in this picture, or this is called, it is also called a tile pattern, tiles. See in this pattern square is used. Which shape? Square shape. And is there any gap between these two square? No. See one square finished, then again second square, third square, fourth, fifth, means there is no gap between two squares, means it is a tessellation pattern. So we can't cross it because those which is not tessellation, for that we have to put a cross, and this is a tessellation pattern. Now next, which shape is used here? Triangle shape. Now we will check for triangle. See one triangle, two triangle, and upside here also it is a triangle, triangle, triangle. See. This pattern is, to these triangles, shapes are used again and again without gap and without overlapping. Overlapping means एक के ऊपर एक. No, here not overlapping and not gap is also not there. Now next, which shape is used? Circle. Now we will check. See one circle, finished, then two circle, 3, here no gap, but for the second line, when we start the second line here, see 1 and 2. But here gap is there. See this is a gap between two circles. See. It is a gap. Means it is not a tessellation pattern. So we will put a cross for this pattern. Next. See, it is a hexagon. For this pattern, 1 pattern, 2, 3, 4. But see here also there is a gap between these two patterns. See. So it is also not a tessellation pattern. Okay, now you all are knowing now what is tessellation pattern, how we have to see this is a tessellation pattern, yes or no. Okay, thank you.